Earn a little cash by renting your car out on this particular app, which provides earnings and protections warranties. It's likely that you currently own an automobile. But people's car obligations are eating into your financial plan, or the amount of monthly cost is significantly higher than you wish for. Or your vehicle or truck simply sits there. I rarely drive as a freelancer working from home, and also you're interested in earning some money from a side hustle. As the case might be, Getaround may be a fantastic means to earn more income by renting out your vehicle, similar to Airbnb but using an automobile. Have a look at our list below to check if Getaround is the right income source for you. What's Getaround? Founded in 2009, Getaround is a car-sharing service which enables you to rent your motor vehicle or truck while you are not using it, effortlessly assisting you to get some income. Since users may rent vehicles by the day or by the hour, Getaround is more economical and much more flexible for people that need cars than traditional rental car businesses can ever be. Getaround has over 5 million users in 300 cities around the world. In case you are wondering if the provider is legit, it is. Getaround offers numerous safety and trust checks to ensure the auto owner and renter will remain safe. The business provides 24/7 service that will help drivers or answer car owners' questions. Other features include real-time updates regarding the status of vehicles, up-to-date motorist checks and roadside assistance, as well as complete car insurance protection. How does it work? Getaround makes it effortless for auto owners to rent out, and also for renters to get a car. Getaround uses something named Getaround Connect technology to discover and unlock cars for folks to rent. Before you put your car for rent, you want to sign up to get a Getaround account. An agent will put in the Getaround Connect device in your vehicle once approved. You'll continue to have the ability to use your automobile for yourself by simply blocking it in the car's calendar on the Getaround app. Once the Getaround Connect device is installed, you're going to be set up to check out the way you prefer renting your car out. In the event you choose to stay with Getaround after those 30 days, then you pay a one-time $99 setup fee and a subscription fee that is $20 for as long as the device is installed. The Getaround Connect device is the thing that lets a renter unlock your car. It's tamper-proof, and you can leave your keys inside the vehicle. That will be safe as the Getaround Connect prevents theft and provides GPS tracking. You can set guidelines to your renter in the program, which might comprise where you can pick up the automobile up, where you should get it, and also the way to control your car or truck. Tenants book a new vehicle and can look for vehicles at the Getaround program. You'll have to achieve this at least 24 hours in advance in order to avoid a cancellation fee, although you have the privilege to cancel your request. That is due to the fact that canceling at short notice, you are imposing an inconvenience on the renter. Block personal usage times, and the ideal thing would be always to maintain your auto's availability calendar. You're going to be accountable in making certain that there's gas in the tank. Getaround highly urges that the tank is full, so you record the gas level using a photo shot with your phone. The driver will be asked to return your vehicle with exactly the same level of fuel. In case your car isn't being refueled, Getaround has a reimbursement policy in place. How much money can you earn with Getaround? As stated by Getaround, you're able to get hundreds of dollars monthly per car. The rate for the vehicle is calculated with the algorithm of Getaround. The plan sets the rental price based on factors like your car's year, make, and model, in addition to its location and also the demand in the specific area. Owners in niches could be in a position to decide on the absolute price, although prices will fluctuate during the period of any day. Getaround is presently offering potential fully guaranteed earnings, in case you are eligible, by its Go Time and Weekender Guarantee programs. These require your vehicle to be available for specific intervals of time. As stated by Getaround's calculator, if you reside in Washington, D.C. and have a 2015 Honda Accord, then you can make no less than $5,680 post-commission from August 2019 to the end of December 2019 in the event that you've got your car readily available for one weekend or holiday, 2 weekdays or non-holidays, and 6 full weekend days or holidays each month. Again, these earnings will be dependent on season, place, and your vehicle. Car owners are getting paid by the 15th of every month, getting earnings for the month via PayPal or by check. Getaround pays itself a 40% commission because of its service, which helps cover insurance as well as other overhead charges, like the 24/7 roadside assistance. Enhancing your earnings. We may assume the more your car is available, the greater opportunities someone can rent it, and the more your income will be. Besides the incentives mentioned previously, here are a few other hints to increase your earnings. Make sure your car profile has detailed directions on parking along with the way to use your car or truck so that it can be kept in great condition, saving you money on maintenance. Maintenance or repairs to your automobile are to be done by yourself. Watch out for any promotions Getaround may offer. Be sure to stick to your schedule, as canceling a driver's request implies you will need to cover a cancellation fee. Assessing your drivers. Renter reviews are not displayed on the renter's profile. However, giving a fair review on drivers can help Getaround ensure action can be taken if needed to and that the members are being held to a higher quality. You could log into your accounts to critique the renter once a trip is completed. It is possible to choose from 3 choices: which the driver is trusted by you, you are uncertain, or you do not trust the driver to rent the car. If you provide feedback, you have the choice to send the tenant a message. For negative feedback, there'll be a dialog box. You can specify why you don't trust that specific driver. An internal report is being sent to the company so they can investigate. The tenant does not see your feedback. Based on what Getaround determines in its incident report, actions may be taken, or that driver might have the ability to ask to rent your vehicle again. Safety first. You ought to be aware that drivers have been vetted before they are allowed into the system of Getaround. The business performs a screening to recognize credit score, driving record, and a motorist's personality. It uses various means to perform a background check. But as you are accountable for keeping your vehicle safe, you may be thinking about what happens when a car or truck isn't being returned by a renter. It will not appear to be there as much you can do proactively other than careful review. The fantastic thing is that Getaround charges your renters penalties if your car is returned in a subpar condition. You're able to get reimbursed when you provide evidence that the fixes are completed, like photos and receipts. Here are just some reasons why you might be reimbursed. Your car or truck was returned too dirty. Somebody smoked in your vehicle. Loss or damage happened to the automobile. The renter did not correctly return your vehicle. The driver received a traffic ticket on an active trip. Your car or truck came back late.